Good morning, everyone. So today I'm actually going to try skiing. So I'm kind of nervous, but I'm really excited and I think it's going to be really fun. It's a beautiful sunny day, so yeah, I'm going to hit the slopes now. To hit the slopes means to go skiing or snowboarding. Okay, so we're just driving up the mountain now, and not gonna lie, feeling pretty nervous, but excited. So this is our drive up to the slopes. So beautiful. Blue sky. I just took a break, I had lunch, and I rested a bit, and now I'm going to hit the slopes for a second time. Today's daily expression is to catch your second wind. To catch your second wind means to have a burst of energy after feeling really tired. I've gone skiing for a few hours now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted, but it was a lot of fun. Alright guys, so I'm all finished skiing, and now we're just driving home, and it's kind of snowing and raining, so it's kind of slushy out, so it's good timing to go home and get cozy. And it's just so beautiful and peaceful, and I had a lot of fun. I definitely want to go again, so yeah, it was a great first skiing trip.